All right, so another reason why I believe that high body count sucks is simply this, right? You become scarred for life mentally, emotionally, and physically, right? I have dealt with a lot of women, right, who had sexual trauma, like in the past because they had sex with men that they weren't married to, right? So one thing that I believe that God tries to shield us from is simply this, right? He is trying to protect you from your memories, right? The sooner you get this, the better, right? The more men that you sleep with, right, the higher the chances are that at some point you might suffer from an SA, right? Which sucks, especially for women. It really does suck. And I would hate for any woman to ever have to go through that, right? But if you waited till you were married, right, you wouldn't have to deal with that most of the time, right? But you guys get what I'm trying to say, right? So I'm trying to keep women safe out there and not sleep with all these different men because you never know when you get